nwere ife mere aba nwa. O nwere ife mere aba. O nwere onye nwụrụ aba since Sunday. Monday. Or Sunday came Sunday come. Tata today bu December 10, 2025. Today bu 10 December 2025. Also at the aba. Make am just there. I am on inside aba. And all the shops do that place mean the law because of that body in aba. And they go to government. Since then, anything government email about this situation. Also at Kadraba. Even by no that's at the main video. I got one issue too much. So put about me machine. Or in a guy bank who check in fact all the terrible. So we go the chairman about because chairman all right, good afternoon everyone. Because Abunina Eba no keta buna new motor swappers upper iwe ka Onitsha. Eba no keta buna new motor swappers upper iwe ka Onitsha. Order you wute na on Monday I gara aya ebe anunwa. Ka anyị na-afụ na enwere ozu adụrapụrụ aya ebe a. Anyị mara how it comes about. Mana mgbe anyị pụrụ ozu a, o wutere anyị rie nne. Anyị wee dee akwụkwọ the health of Anambra State. I copy to local government chairman on Onitsha North. Since yesterday, another year, Ozuan Chadeba, Ruoketa, and the Kaida Panu to Toa, Obruno Ozua, Arise Yana, who's your nurse, everywhere is locked. There is nothing we can do. I heard that the highest authority, but nothing has been done about it. I know the government because I have to say, Maka, those also are the other, Abuna Rapiaba, other costs line to help to health. So, because government, through the help of our able professor, Governor Charles Chukuma Saludo, thank you very much. I know one way about because you had too much. I met a guy over there so many people. This is too much. Also going on about weapons. Shops near about me. No motors, cars in a park that place for a bank. Nobody can stay there. Since Monday till today. Nothing. What do you have now? Yes. About new motor spare parts or by worker. Don't fly over opposite is Chuku. Okay. So, I can go to the Anambra State. We have here on Sunday. I fell on Sunday. There's a force and the sister and ICC and Melefort. The government is here. I'm not supposed. When I see Sunday, when Lota, and what on the iPhone. I want your government. Who what I also say, Maka? Monday Nazwaya, Monday Moto, Ndila, Elod Moto. And where's your on a business? Monday on a chop. Where's your on a chop? So I know your Maka government. You can know. Okay, thank you. Abu Nenanya, neighbors on the back. All the shops, Lina, Daba, Mechisi, then that side back. Oh no, business Lina the rock. And then the Lina of your back. On a matter of fact, this in Avatar everywhere. So, because government should know what to do about this situation because I'm a Kagaras at the Mayfield only used to be too much. Because government should know what to do about this situation, how to do more. Cool.